Hey, what's going on, Gaijin and Gaijin? This is Good Gaijin Gray, and I'm back with another video. And today, I want some fried chicken. But this time, it's not karaage, it's not anyone else's fried chicken. This is just how I personally make fried chicken for me. So, it won't be anything too fancy, but for those of you that don't really know where to start when it comes to making fried chicken, maybe you can give my personal version a try and see if you like that one. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alright, so for today's chicken, I'm going to use boneless chicken thighs, which are my favorite. And first you're going to score your chicken. And the reason why I like to score the chicken is because all the little cuts gets the seasoning and the marinade to penetrate the chicken a lot easier, so you get a lot more flavorful, juicy chicken. And after you score it one way, you're going to turn the chicken and score it the other way. And next we're going to start seasoning our chicken. And for our seasoning, we're going to use salt and pepper, garlic powder, paprika, rosemary powder, a little extra black pepper, oyster sauce, and then chili paste. And if you can't find that particular chili paste, you can just use sriracha or a hot sauce. And then rub that in. And my chicken was a little bit big, and so I wanted to cook even, so I cut it in half. And then you're going to put it in a Ziploc bag and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least an hour and up to overnight. And let's go ahead and start making our dredge. So I'm going to use a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, some salt and pepper, garlic powder, nutmeg, rosemary powder, paprika, black pepper again, some MSG, and some Japanese 7 spice or shichimi. And you're just going to shake that around and mix it up. And then make sure you taste your flour for if it needs extra salt or anything. If your flour doesn't taste good, then your chicken won't taste good. And then when you're ready to start frying, you can go ahead and dump all your chicken in there and shake it on up. Make sure you press it in and it coats every little crevice. You don't want any bald spots. And then you're going to set it on a wire rack for at least 15 to 30 minutes up to an hour to let that flour really adhere to the chicken. And then you can go ahead and get everybody in the pool and start deep frying it. Make sure you watch it, don't go away. And after about 5 to 6, 7 minutes, you can flip it. And I not only like to flip it, I like to turn it in case there's any like cold or hot spots in my grease. And then after about 10 minutes, you can go ahead and take it out. Just make sure you watch it. And then you want to finish it off with some salt. I'm going to use this Kuzumaki Rosé wine salt just for the flex, if that is even flexer. But there you go. You have some delicious, crispy, juicy, hopefully, fried chicken. And you can plate it up with anything you want. I'm having some cheesy garlic mashed potatoes, some mixed vegetables, and a nice roll.
All right, we're done. And now we have a beautiful plate of fried chicken. And we got some mashed potatoes and some mixed vegetables and a nice roll. Roll has some butter on the inside, which I appreciate, but who cares about that? It's all about this chicken. It smells amazing, and my mouth will not stop watering. So let's go ahead and take our first bite. Here we go. And I got chicken juice all over the table. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. but it is juicy, it is tender. All that flavor from the spice comes in. Yeah, this is some knockout chicken. And I definitely like the rosé wine salt on top. Yeah, that's another one out of the park. That is some amazing fried chicken. So I hope you followed along. I hope you try this out. This is some bomb chicken. So I have to go get a napkin so I can get chicken juice all off of my table and chicken grease off of my hands. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Later.